BarryTiger. Subscribe! Restore the ancient shipwreck.
Huh? What is this place? Why have I never been here before?
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hello there, little one.
Huh? Who said that? Where did that voice come from?
Oh, ho, ho. It was me. I said it. I'm a shipwreck.
Oh, you scared me. What are you doing here?
Oh, it's a long story, little one. I used to be an explorer, you know.
Wow!
But one day, a huge storm came and it destroyed me, and I ended up sinking here. I have been sitting here for at least 100 years.
100 years? Don't you ever want to leave?
I do want to leave, but I'm stuck so I can't move. Can you help me, little one?
I know! Super Mechanic Barry can surely help you. Huh? Mr. Shipwreck!
Excuse me. Please call me Mr. Explorer. I prefer being called by this name.
Sure, Mr. Explorer. Dear friends, let's repair the shipwreck.
Whoa, ho, ho. Slow down, please. These old bones of mine are falling apart on me.
There's a lot of seaweed on his body. We need to trim them off of him.
Oh, I feel so much better now. But you know, I still have a little stomach ache.
Don't worry. I'm going to get that all checked out. Wow! There's quite a lot inside of you. We'll use the fish net to catch the fish first. Oh no! It didn't work! We need a bigger net for this. Huh? What's this thing? Wow! A treasure box!
My stomach feels much better now. To thank you, you can keep the box of treasure.
Thank you! We still need to get the water out of the cabin. Let's put back the windows.
Whoa, ho, ho. I feel a lot better now. I feel as if I'm a few years younger.
The repair is done. Dear friends, you've done a great job.
Thanks a lot, Super Mechanic Barry. I'm going to continue exploring the ocean. Goodbye!
Goodbye! Safe travels! Oh, right! The box Mr. Explorer gave me. I wonder what's inside it.